YouTube channel. So in this channel, we are going to talk about the structures of modern English. And for today's video, we are going to talk about syllable structure. So we will end this chapter learning how to examine the unit intermediate between the sounds and the affixes or words, namely the syllable. The syllable represents a level of structure intuitively recognized by the speaker of a language. It figures importantly in the rhythm and prosody of the language. Now let us begin this topic by introducing you to the parts of a syllable. As noted earlier, a syllable consists obligatory of a vowel. So vowel stands as the nucleus of the syllable and potentially carries the stress. A syllable also may optionally begin with 1 to 3 consonants, which we call the onset, and may close with 1 to 4 consonants, which we call the coda of the syllable. So for today's video, our group will be providing you 5 examples for you to understand the topic. So without further ado, let us begin with our first example. For our first example, let us use the word skill. So our onset for the syllable skill is 2 consonants S and K. And the nucleus and coda together form a rhyme. Take note, we can only use rhyme only if it's a one-syllabic word. Our nucleus for this word is I, and the coda will be the L and L. Now let us proceed with our second example. So speakers syllabify sometimes with the consonant as coda of the first syllable, sometimes as onset of the second syllable. This consonant is said to be ambisyllabic, which means belonging to both syllables. So let the word vivid set as an example for this. So our onset for the first syllable is the V. Its nucleus is I, and its coda is V. But at the same time, the letter V here also stands as the onset of the second syllable. Nucleus is the I, and its coda is D. So I have here Atenika to provide you another examples of syllable structures.
Everyone, today I am going to discuss about the syllabic structure. Here is military has 4 syllables. The mi, li, ta, ri. There are 4 going to put the W, which means the word. After that one, you are going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the military has 4 syllables, you are going to put 4 SY, which means the syllable. There you go. There are 4 syllables. So after that one, you're going to put a like this. You're going to put a ON. On means the onset. Onset is the consonant letter of the word, which is the consonant letter of the word is the M. After that one, since the next letter is the I, that is the NU. That means the NU is the nucleus. Nucleus is the vowels letter of this word. I. So R is a consonant, so this is a onset. Y is a consonant, but nucleus can be a consonant or a vowel sometimes. So we're going to put it A and U. This will be R, and this will be the Y. So explode. Explode has two syllables. So again, you're going to put a W. This W is the word. SY is the syllable. So W. In explode, there are two syllables, right? So you're going to put two SY in here and here. So E is a vowel, so that will be a nucleus. This is a nucleus. And then X is it is a consonant, so this will be a coda. And then it's going to proceed to another syllable, which is the float. So PL is a consonant, so that would be a one. NU is the NU is a always a vowel, so that would be a NU, which is the nucleus. So DE, the DE is this can be a coda. This is a coda. So D is a consonant, so that since it is the last word and the last letter, that will be a coda. So the third word will be select. So select also has two syllables. So we're going to put W again, then put the two syllables here and right here. So S is a consonant, so this will be a onset. Since the next letter will be E, so that will be a nucleus. Nucleus is a vowel letter. So since the E is a vowel letter, so this will be a nucleus. So since leg is another syllable, so we're going to proceed here. So L is a consonant, so that will be a onset again. So E is a vowel, so that will be a nucleus. And lastly, CT is a last letter in the words, and that is a consonant, so that will be a coda. So
So that's all for today's video, guys, and we hope that you have learned something from those examples we gave you. Thank you for watching.